Look, there's a tiny orange creature. It looks kind of cute. This caterpillar is the larva of the Dolicholia bisultide butterfly, commonly known as the dead leaf butterfly. It prefers the leaves of plants from the Acanthaceae family, especially the Strobilanthes species. It is most commonly found during the rainy season, right up until the transition to the dry season. Moving on to the four-spotted leaf beetle, or Lima quadripunctata. Ever notice this beetle rubbing its legs against its body? It's not dancing. This behavior helps clean its sensory hairs, spread chemical signals, and sometimes prepare for movement or defense. Have you ever seen a ladybug scurrying around? What is it actually looking for? Is it looking for a place to hide? Or perhaps the ladybug wants to play hide and seek with you, or perhaps it's actually embarrassed to meet a content creator. Just let it be. Wait and see how cute this little creature is.